In order to build your app to publish it to the App Store, you need to create a bundle ID and have a certificate that makes sure that you're the one that owns this game and not anyone could just steal it. So you need certificates and a provisioning profile. Okay, so in order to do that, you gotta go to the developer account. Please use Safari, that's usually better. So developer.apple.com. Right there under iOS 7, iOS Dev Center. Okay, sign in. Sign in. All right, on the right side, you have certificate, identifiers, and profile. Click on that link. Click on certificates again. Okay, I do have already one certificate for development. You probably don't have that yet, but don't worry about it because we want one for distribution. Okay, so click on plus right there. Okay, what you want is an App Store and ad hoc because this is for iOS app submission to the App Store. Okay, so production, App Store, and ad hoc. Okay, make sure you download the intermediate certificate. So click here on Worldwide Dev Relations Certificate Authority. That will download it for you and open it. Open the file, double click on it, and that will open it in the keychain access. There you go. This is called the keychain access, and the file is right there now. Okay, and it's valid certificate. Okay, now go back to Safari or whatever web browser you're using, and click on Continue. Okay, now it's showing you the steps to create the CSR file. Okay, so let's create a CSR file. Go back to Keychain Access. Okay, and right there, go to Keychain Access, Certificate Assistant, request a certificate from a certain certificate authority. Okay, here put your email address that you used to create your account, your developer account. Put a name, usually whatever name you want to use. Save to disk. Okay, and leave the CA email address empty. Continue. Okay, that name is okay. Save. Okay, I'm saving it to my desktop, but you can save it anywhere you want. There we go, done. Okay, now I'm going back to the browser. Click on Continue. And right there, upload the CSR file. Choose File, Certificate Sending Request in my desktop, choose. And now click on Generate, the blue button right there. Okay, that might take a while depending on the server load. Now it's creating our certificate. All right, there we go. Certificate is ready. So iOS distribution, click on Download. All right, so I have the file. Now I'm going to install it. Okay, so iOS distribution.cer for certificate. Double click on it and that will add it to your keychain access. There you go, as you can see, iOS distribution just got added right there. All right, so now that we have the certificate, we're gonna use it to connect it to our game.